Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying well. After defining the concrete, some of you may say that defining is end. I say not, because in the concrete structure, if you study that in the university, we use rebars. We add new materials and from here we set rebars. For the rebars, we have standards that you can use. I go with the standards that you have. And for the grade, some of you may know and may not know what grade is. I'm going to tell you, if you don't know anything or forgotten from your university, if you study it in university, you already understand. But if you don't know, just search it and it's going to tell you what is it. 40 grade still has a yield of 28 megapascal or shell case. 40 KSI. 60 is higher grade and it's almost used grade in reinforced concrete. Okay, you understand it's 40 means 40 KSI. We are going to have this thing at grade 60 for now, or you can use grade 40. Sometimes this is going to your country, which country you live or which area you live. If you're in your area, they have rebar grade 40, it's better to use that, or in your area if they have grade 60, it's better to use that type. But in the place I live, the grade 40 and 60 are both usable. And also I tell you, in the structures that they are unique, like towers and bridge, you don't have this, these problems. But for now we have them. We create it as E60 and then don't modify everything here and press OK. Now our rebar is created for the grade 42. It's good. Now we have both of them. We create and define our material. Now in the next video, we need to define our section. I'm going to teach you about this in the next video. Until then, have a nice time.